I want to talk to you today about these name tags. Now, these are great for your name badges. Maybe at work, you have to have a badge and you want to put it in here. These are individual. Now, it has two different ways you can do this. This one here in particular has it where the claw will come down and hold your card in this direction. This is also a Ziploc cover here that so it seals it in, so you don't have to worry about your card slipping out. This is great. And you can also, if you have a card in here and if you have to swipe your card at work for an ID, this will do it just well. I'm using mine for just plain paper name tags, and I'll be using these, a very DIY type of name tags. I can just simply do it on my computer and they will fit perfect right into my name tags. And then I will have lanyards that will get right on top of there, and they'll be able to display the name tags for my event right here and work just perfectly. These are very nice. These were one of the best pricing I was able to find because I didn't need a large quantity and I was able to buy a smaller quantity at a really reasonable price. And that's just my honest opinion.